Hello everyone, thank you for joining the Build with 0x series. Today I'm going to take you through 0x LaunchKit. LaunchKit allows you to run your own exchange or marketplace. An exchange on 0x is a place where makers and takers can come together and exchange tokens. You can view the exchange as something like a bulletin board where parties just meet and exchange requests or orders. So by the end of this session, you'll have your own exchange running, and I'm going to take you through a little bit of a demo, one which we have already deployed, so you can see what it's like. So if you go to 0x.org/launchkit and click the live demo button. So here we have a demo version of 0x LaunchKit already deployed. Now this is operational for the Kovan test network, so make sure your MetaMask is connected to Kovan. Now, as you can see in the wallet balances, I have a little bit of 0x in my wallet. So let's go ahead and sell some of that. So I'm going to sell 1000 0x. In exchange for 1000 0x, I will get 1.17 WETH. So I'm going to go ahead and create that transaction. So within MetaMask, I'll click confirm. And this will send a transaction directly to the 0x protocol, exchanging 0x for ETH. So the miners are now mining that transaction, which is now complete. And now I have some additional ETH after selling that 0x. Let's say I want to buy some more 0x. So I want to buy 500. Buying 500 0x will cost me 0.61 ETH. So I click confirm in the MetaMask window and submit that transaction. And now we wait for the miners to mine that transaction. As you can see, the buy order has been complete and I got an additional 500 0x. Now let's say I don't want to perform a market buy, but I wish to place an order onto the order book. So I would click limit, create a limit buy for 0x for 500. And for the price per token, I maybe want to be quite cheap. So I'll set it at 0.01 WETH per 0x. So by clicking buy 0x, I'm now creating a limit order and you can see the order details in the MetaMask window. So I'll sign that message and it'll be submitted to the order book. And as you can see, here is my buy order on the order book. So let's go ahead and get you started with your own exchange. So go to 0x.org/launchkit and click the Getting Started button. Inside the README, you'll find some pre-requirements for your developer environment. So you're going to need Node.js, you'll also need Yarn, you'll need Docker installed, and npx, which also comes with Node. So to get your exchange up and running, you can follow the wizard which we have written here. So copy this command and go to your terminal. So now I'm going to run the wizard. This is going to download the packages for me and then prompt me for some settings that I might want to change within the LaunchKit deployment. So now it asks you for the network which you'd like to use. I'm going to choose Kovan. So now it is asked for the RPC URL you wish to use. This is the Ethereum node which the backend communicates with. If you do not have a Ethereum node already deployed, then you can go to infura.io and sign up for an account and use their service. So I'm going to copy the Kovan Infura endpoint. Enter the fee recipient. So if your orders have fees, which they can, you can set the fee recipient and then those tokens will go to you when those orders are filled. For now, I'm going to leave it blank. Now I can select the light or dark theme. So I'm going to go for the light theme. Now the port is which the web server will run on. So for now, 3001 sounds good. Once the wizard is complete, it's going to pull down some Docker containers and get them up and running for you. This will take just a moment. So it has started 3 containers. One is the back end, the other is the front end, and then there is the web server that serves the built front end. Now, note, the front end takes a little bit of time to build. As you can see, it is creating an optimized production build. So this could take up to 2 minutes to run and build on your local machine. So we'll wait for that to be complete. As you can see, the front end has finished building. So now we can go to our browser and go to port 3001 and see a deployed launch kit. And there we are. We have a deployed version of LaunchKit talking to Kovan network. So I want to sell 3,000 of my ZRX for 0.1 ETH per token. So MetaMask pops up and asks me to create the order, and I sign that order, and that's submitted to the back end. And there you have it. Now you have a locally deployed version of 0x LaunchKit in which you can create orders to buy and sell tokens. So throughout this demo, I had an available balance of ZRX and ETH, so I was able to create buy and sell orders. If you do not have any test tokens and would like to get some to play around with this demo, I recommend going to our ZeroX Code Sandbox. Here in the sandbox, you can mint tokens, as well as dispense ETH to your wallet. After clicking dispense ETH, it'll take a little bit of time for ETH to be sent to your wallet. Now the faucet has sent me 0.1 ETH. So with this ETH, I'm able to mint some ZRX test tokens. So by clicking the mint icon, you can send a transaction that will mint you some tokens. So the transaction has been submitted, and now we'll wait for it to be mined. After it's mined, you can see that I have a balance of 10,000 ZRX. So you can play around with these test tokens. I'm going to create a sell order of that newly minted ZRX for some extra ETH. So I click limit, enter 3,000, and then set the price per token to something reasonable. Since this is a brand new account, I need to get onboarded with 0x protocol. The onboarding process requires setting an ERC-20 approval. So this first transaction that I'm going to submit allows the 0x protocol to move my tokens when a counterparty is found. So I'm going to click confirm there, and that'll unlock my tokens for trading. Now that my ZRX are locked, I'm able to create orders. As you can see, I'm going to sign this order, and it'll quickly appear in the back end for 0x LaunchKit. And there it is. If you click My Wallet in 0x LaunchKit, you'll be taken to a website where you can see all the available balances that you have. Over on the right is whether this token is set up for trading on 0x yet. We indicate that with the locked icon. Here you can see that wrapped ETH is currently locked. So to unlock wrapped ETH, I'm going to click the lock icon. This will allow 0x protocol to move my wrapped ETH. So I'm going to click confirm. Once this transaction has been mined, my wrapped ETH is now available for trading. As you can see, I actually don't have any wrapped ETH yet. So to convert ETH into wrapped ETH, click the convert button. You can then select the amount of wrapped ETH you would like. So here I would like 0.09 ETH remaining, which means I will have 0.01 wrapped ETH. So this will send a transaction to deposit your ETH into wrapped Ether. So I'm going to click confirm there. So now my ETH has been converted. So I have 0.09 ETH and 0.01 wrapped ETH. If I ever want to exit and not have any more wrapped ETH, I just perform the same steps in reverse. So now I'm going to have no wrapped ETH remaining. Click confirm for the withdraw transaction. As you can see, my balance has now been updated and I have 0.1 ETH remaining.